Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed HTML in Google Slides. So let's dive right in. Actually, Google Slide doesn't allow to embed HTML in desktop or mobile version. But here is the solution. As example, I'm getting a screenshot of my screen by clicking Windows plus print screen. Now from my file manager, I'm going to select this screenshot. To add your image, just simply click on this image icon on your toolbar. Then click on upload from computer and you can access your file manager from here. Then select the image you want to add to your slide. Then adjust the size like this. There you have it. You can add a slide without embed HTML code in your Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, then give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will come back to you with the next video.